Sunday, and generally I don't vlog on Sunday or shoot or do anything like that. Like today is my rest day, but unfortunately this week I have a lot of shoot work to do. So I thought, why not pick up my camera and vlog as well. And the best part about Sunday is definitely the food, because all of my food are just cheat meals. I eat whatever I want, no healthy food allowed. So anyway, good morning. I'm gonna go and grab my breakfast and I'll see you guys after that. Done, and I'm gonna go and take a shower. But before that, I actually wanted to come here and talk to you guys about this shampoo and conditioner that I've been using for the past 3 weeks to 1 month, I would say, and it's been working really well for me. This shampoo and conditioner duo right here. So this one is by Mamaearth, and this one is the rice water shampoo. So this has rice water and keratin in it. It comes in a shampoo and a conditioner. Today's the day I have to wash my hair, but I think you can still see my hair looks pretty nice and healthy. It doesn't look very greasy or anything. My hair has just been really soft. So this one is paraben and SLS free. So rice water is again another one of those natural ingredients that really helps keep your hair nice and healthy and bouncy. Ever since the beginning of this pandemic, I've been having a lot of hair fall thanks to stress and all that. So I'm so glad to see that my hair fall is finally reduced. So all products from Mamaearth are all natural and free from any harmful chemicals, so you can use it without being worried about any side effects. I have a little coupon code for you guys. I will put that on the screen right here so that you guys can get 20% off on all orders from Mamaearth. Apart from the website, you can also find them on Nykaa, on Purple, and on Amazon. And one of the best things is that whenever you place an order on Mamaearth, they will link your order on the website to a tree that they plant, and the exact geolocation, species and pictures of the tree will be sent to you. And Mamaearth as a brand itself is a very plastic positive brand. That means they have a very good recycling system. And Mamaearth has also launched their own application, so they have some great launch offers exclusively on the app, so you guys can go and download the app as well. I will link it in the description box below. Okay guys, so we have a lot of packages to unbox. So generally whatever packages I get throughout the week, we keep it outside for like 2 to 3 days. Then after that we bring it inside the house, just for safety precaution and all that. So yeah, anyway, I'm gonna finally unbox all of these packages and just see what's there inside. So guess what we have here? This is what I love about Zara. They literally deliver in like 2-3 days. Anyway, we're gonna unbox this. By the way, I'm trying to hide my address, so I'm going to unbox this. There aren't a lot of things that I shopped, so there's no point in making a separate Zara haul video. So I just thought I'll include it in this vlog like a bonus haul for you guys. So yeah, let's see what things we got. Okay, so this is dress number 1. I think it looks really cute. It's this really nice gingham pattern dress, and it's a nice little short dress. I really like the way it fits, it's not like too tight, and the best part is definitely the back. Can you guys see that? I feel like the back of the dress is definitely the best part. Okay, so this is dress number 2, and unfortunately, as you can see, this dress is a little loose, and because of which it doesn't really look that good on me. I don't like it. But yeah, like the print is cute, but it's a little big. Okay, so next we have these 2 things. First of all, love these pants. I am so glad they fit me literally perfectly. Like they sit perfectly on my waist and they're really nice and comfortable on my hips. So I really love how these pants fit. So it's like a full size trouser. I don't know how to show you guys, but yeah, it's a full size trouser, and I paired it with this yellow top. Even this yellow top also I got from Zara. It looks like a nice cropped shirt, and it has, these pockets are not real, but it kind of looks like it has pockets. I really like that detail. It's nice and hustly. And this is the last and final thing that I got. Oh my god, this dress is just so damn cute. I don't have anything in this color, like I don't have a dress in this type of a neon green color. I just think it looks so cute. I love the belt detail over here. The only thing I would say is that I might want to exchange it to like one size bigger, because I mean this fits me perfectly, but it's like a little too fitted. So if I want kind of a relaxed fit, maybe I should go one size up. So we are done with the shower, so I'm just going to go and quickly blow dry my hair so that I can show you guys how it looks after I shampoo and condition with the Mamaearth shampoo and conditioner. So yeah, let me show you guys. Okay, it's lunchtime now, and since it's a weekend, we obviously had to treat ourselves to some outside food like we do every other weekend. Today we have KFC. You guys have no idea how excited I am to have KFC. It's been a very long time since I've had KFC, and I'm holding it like this because I have to take everything out of the bag, sanitize it, throw this away and all that, you know the work. So yeah, nowadays getting food from outside is not simple. Like you can't just get it and start eating it right away. You have to take it out of the package, throw the package away, sanitize everything, reheat everything. So yeah, I'm going to go and quickly do that, and then I'll come and join you guys. And here we have it. Obviously, I'm not going to be eating all of this alone, and so I'm going to be having KFC along with some other food. I love the KFC chicken strips. So yeah, it comes with this tandoori sauce. It's a tandoori mayo sauce, and I was really interested to try that. So yeah, if you guys haven't tried the tandoori mayo, I would highly recommend it. It's really nice. So as you can see, I have a full face of makeup on, and I absolutely hate doing this on a Sunday, but I have to. So I have a full face of makeup on, and I'm going to be shooting. Honestly, I just want to go and sleep after my lunch, but I can't do that. So anyway, as you guys can see in the background, so this is something that a page on Instagram sent me. She was actually a very long time follower, and then she opened her own like handicraft store where she makes all of these cool things. I really love it. I think it suits me because it says shoot, edit and upload, which is exactly what I do. So she was also sweet enough to send me this. I don't know if you guys can recognize, but this is actually a portrait of me which is embroidered. Like how cute and sweet is that? She also sent me this. This is actually a picture of me from one of my shoots that I did, and I absolutely love it. I'm actually thinking of putting it right here. Oops. Like I'm actually thinking of like pasting it right here so that I have another colorful element on my background. So now I just shoot sitting over here so that this thing is in my background, and it's just so bright and colorful. It just looks really nice. Let's go and do some shooting. Today I'm shooting something for Instagram. So I have this background right here. I have this little plant. I think I can definitely fill up my background, but for now I'm liking it plain and simple like this. So anyway, things are moving really fast. So we're going to start shooting, and I'll see you guys probably in my next outfit change. Hey guys, so we are on to outfit number 2. So this is what I'm wearing. I thought, okay, you know, I have my makeup on and everything, so why not take some pictures in another cute outfit. This is a cute dress I bought around my birthday time, so basically right before the second lockdown happened. So I still haven't worn it outside. Thankfully I was able to go out and celebrate my birthday. So yeah, let me just show you guys how the dress looks. Isn't it just super cute? I love it. It's like this really nice dark brown color in this very nice shiny satin finish. I don't know what to call it. I'm gonna go and take some pictures in this outfit, and then I think I'm gonna go and rest because I am feeling sleepy. I just want to take like a short afternoon nap. Well, not afternoon, it's already like 5, but if I can like sleep for like half an hour, that would be really nice. Okay, so it's dinner time, and I know what you guys are thinking. I know I look a little weird wearing glasses when I have makeup on. Glasses with no makeup looks fine, but just like this is just weird. But anyway, it's dinner time now, and or it's going to be dinner time. And generally on the weekends I like to like make something, because that's when I'm like free the most and I can like make something special, you know. So today on the menu we have matar paneer, like paneer butter masala, but I'll be adding like some mutton in there as well, along with lacha paratha. Obviously I am not a skilled chef to make lacha paratha, so we use like that ready-made lacha paratha from this brand called ID. So anyway, I'll just like show you guys whatever I do. Done having my dinner and it was just so damn delicious, and yeah, I really enjoyed it. And tomorrow is Monday again, so it's back to eating healthier, back to work, and back to all of that. So now I'm actually going to go and start editing some videos so that I can have like a head start to the coming week. And before I get into that editing zone and totally forget to say goodbye to you guys, I just thought I'll come here and end the vlog right here. I really hope you guys found this vlog kind of nice and entertaining to watch. I don't know how this vlog is going to turn out, but anyway, I'm gonna turn off myself. I hope you guys have a nice day, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!